This is the new Xiaomi device, which is the Redmi Note 13 Pro. It's a $250 Android phone that we're going to be testing its gaming capabilities today. And without further ado, let's get unboxing. I have my nifty knife over here. I haven't seen a phone packaged like this in a long time. These plastic covers were so satisfying to unbox, and it still is. This is a $250 phone. We get a silicone case. By the way, it's a huge phone. We get a 67-watt brick, and we have our cable, a USB-C cable with the slightest orangey red accent. Let me show you the 67 watt that Apple gives with the Mac. 67 watt. All of this compared to this. We have the phone. Oh my god, it's big. This is insane. Just get this sticker out. It has a glossy back. We get 120Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED display, 200 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization, 67 turbo charging with 5000 milliamp hour battery. I've widened up the field of view so we can have the whole phone in the hand. Let's turn it on. I haven't used Android phones in so long. It has a fingerprint scanner under the screen. I'll set up the device and come back to you. Okay, I've set it up, and I love that we have a game mode kind of. Genshin Impact, of course, is one of my favorites to test the phones with, and I already also connected the controller to get the full experience. For some reason, the controller is not showing. By the way, I really love that they have this boost performance feature to focus more on the game. So, and what about our performance? 75 almost frames per second we're getting over here. Let's explore. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. I mean, this is really good. The speaker over here and speaker over here. Some very minor jittering. I mean, we can see the ups and downs of the frame rate. In general, the performance is great.
Don't push your luck.
Honestly, the phone is not even...
What a performance.
It's a bit warm over here, but barely. My iPhone heated up so much playing this game. Slightly jittery, as you can see. You know, we have a lot of stuff going on over here, so yeah, it still is performing very well, and it's not overheating. I mean, it is warm, really warm, but acceptable. I mean, the battery is draining. You can go on a full flight gaming smoothly with the highest frame rate. Let's try another game. I'll try now to use the controller with this game. Last time you guys said that these are bots. Let's see now. Let's check out the settings. We only have medium. The graphics are nice. Very high quality. I'm playing with my controller for $250 phone. This is incredible. When the Switch 2 comes out, it has to have great graphics and great performance, or else it's not going to be able to compete with smartphones. I mean, I know the game, it's all about the games, but if smartphones started to get PC-like or console-like games, it's game over for handheld gaming consoles. Even the phone has great speakers, by the way. Again, we're not comparing it to an iPhone or a flagship Samsung device, but for a $250 phone, this is incredible. Let's try a different game. This is the only game that is crashing for some reason. New games, ones that I haven't tried on this channel before. 100 frames per second for such games. It's so smooth. One of my favorite games of all time. Oh my god, I don't have the right cards. Poor guy. It's playing very smoothly. It's so nice. Oh, I can play with the controller. The quality of the game is insane. And you get to play it with your controller. Insane. Man, these phones are getting really, really good. This is the iPhone 15 Pro that costs more than $1,000. And this is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro that costs $250. I'm gonna be doing a lot of episodes about the Redmi Note 13 Pro very soon, about the camera,